Today we're going to be making the most famous Thai dessert, and that is khao niao ma muang or mango sticky rice. There's few elements we need to complete this dessert, which are the sticky rice, the sweet coconut cream sauce, the coconut cream topping, and you'll also get to see how to get this lovely presentation. Stick with me to the end to see how to make it. The first part, sticky rice. On the package, it would say glutinous rice or Thai sweet rice. The grains are not as transparent as the regular or jasmine rice. And before cooking it, we need to clean and soak it first. Sticky rice is more starchy than jasmine rice, and we don't want the clumpy, starchy, over creamy rice as the outcome. As you can see, the first round, the water is pretty cloudy. So we're gonna keep washing and rinse until we get the clear water. It should take around 5 to 6 times. This is good to go. We're gonna let it soak in room temperature water for at least 4 hours to let the carbohydrates in the rice grain soak up and carry some water so it'll turn out soft. And if you have time, better soak it overnight. I did an overnight soaking. Now you see the rice grains are more clear because there's water and it's moist inside. If you try mash with fingers, it should break easily. Now rinse the water through a strainer. Use a clean cloth sheet. Place it on a steamer rack. You can also cook sticky rice in a rice cooker. I'll write down the direction in description below. Pour the glutinous rice on the sheet. Then fold the sheet up. Make sure to leave some room around though. Don't let the sheet cover all the space up like this because it's gonna trap the steam under. We want to leave some room for the steam to come up on top as well to cook the rice thoroughly, alright? Now I already poured some water under. Close the lid and let it steam for about half an hour. And during that, we're gonna move on to the second part, sweet coconut cream sauce. Better make it ready before sticky rice is done because we're gonna pour it when the sticky rice is still hot. And we're gonna need coconut milk, granulated sugar, and salt. And if you can find pandan leaves, tie a few of them in a knot like this and put in the pot while cooking. The sauce will give a very nice aroma. We use these leaves a lot in Thai desserts. If you can't find them, it's totally okay. So pour 400 ml coconut milk in a pot. A 180 grams sugar. You can add more if you want it sweeter. I'll tell you when. A couple teaspoons of salt to cut and blend the taste. Mix it up a little. And let's move to the stove. Put it on medium heat. Keep stirring until it's hot but not boiling. We don't want to reduce any liquid or it'll turn out too creamy. We can stop when we start to see some steam. And now taste. Normally with this ratio, some people might add 200 to 250 grams of sugar. Personally, it's a little too sweet for me, so after you taste, if you want to add more sugar, you can add at this time. Cover with the lid to keep it warm. Once the sticky rice is ready, move it to a bowl. Pour the sweet coconut cream sauce in. Whoa, smells amazing. Give it a mix. Keep mixing for a couple minutes. It's still watery, don't worry, that's normal. It'll be soaked up. Put a lid on. Ooh, hot. And leave it for 20 minutes to let the rice absorb the sauce. Now the third part, coconut cream topping. We need coconut milk, sugar, salt, and rice flour. I'm just going to use the same pot, 200 ml coconut milk, 40 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a couple teaspoons of rice flour, but before adding into the pot, dissolve in water first, otherwise it can be clumped up in the pot. We're gonna stir until sugar, salt, and coconut milk combined. Then add the rice flour and keep stirring until it's thickened. And set it aside. Flip the sticky rice for the last time. Now we start to see the beautiful grains already, and it smells so good. I can't wait, I'm gonna steal one bite. And the last part, mango rolls. My most favorite type of mango and very commonly found in Thailand is Barracuda mangoes. It's so satisfying sweet, but we can use any type of ripe mango we can find, and in my case, in beautiful Cape Town, South Africa, not Barracuda mangoes, but these are also pretty good. So peel off the skin, cut along the seed, then thinly slice. If your mango is very ripe, it will be very easy to make mango rolls since it's softer and easier to shape. Put sticky rice on a plate, better have a flat surface and wipe some water in a container before adding the sticky rice in so the rice won't get stuck. Here's the sliced mango, set it aside. The inner part, break the sliced mango into a half. Then keep adding the layers. Press down very gently, we don't want to break the rice. And before adding the next layer, use your finger help holding as well. This is how I hold the outer layer. Push the sticky rice upward a little bit to help holding. Then the last topping for completion, the peeled mung bean. And ta-da! We have a lovely mango sticky rice to serve. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell button for more Thai and Asian recipes. Wish you have a lovely and happy holiday. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Lots of love and joy from Pam, and see you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ